So AP Bio is a college level class, which means that you have the amount of work and the type of difficulty of a college class, but although that may seem like a difficult challenge, you just have to push through, and it actually really helps you prepare. The AP Bio labs at Spalding are really hands-on, and they have a lot of models around the classroom, so if you need help on a certain subject or a body part or a body system, there's always models that can help you.
AP Bio is by far one of my favorite classes. Biology has always been a subject that has fascinated me, and we have the opportunity to visit the Spalding lab across the street, and it's just so amazing to get to see all of the human organs and the cadaver. It's a really unique opportunity that not all high school students have.
At the Spalding lab, we are able to look at both human organs and animal organs and compare them. We can take pictures of them and study them back at school. And also at the Spalding lab, we can study a human cadaver, which is pretty neat because Prez is the only high school in Kentucky that allows students to do that.
At Prez, I'm involved in a lot of scientific clubs like STEAM Club, Math and Robotics Club, and Science National Honor Society. They give me the opportunity to explore other scientific areas outside of school that I necessarily wouldn't be involved with.
Now will you sing if you stand still?
STEAM Club is an extracurricular activity for all students.
This is a way for students interested in science, technology, engineering, art, and math to get involved.
Students can learn through inquiry activities and field trips around the scientific community.
At STEAM Club, we do a lot of really cool experiments. We've made wood, which is like a polymer, and then we've experimented with dry ice and catapults, and we also go on a number of field trips throughout the school year to Bernheim Forest and the zoo and Huber's Farm.
So I'm involved in STEAM Club and Robotics Club, and in STEAM Club we do a bunch of science, technology, engineering, art, and math related activities, and we go on field trips and we do really fun experiments just to really help us learn more about those fields. And then in robotics we have a robot named Kathy, and we compete her in competitions and just adjust her and her different components to help us win.
At Prez, we have a STEM club, and that stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. We recently named it STEAM Club because we added art to it, so now it's STEAM. And in this club, we participate in several activities, both inside and outside of school, creating experiments, going on field trips, and it's one of the largest, if not the largest, club in the school. Here Here at Prez, we have a robotics team. We go and compete against other schools. We recently had our first competition, and there we placed 7th out of 21. At the meetings, we build up the robot in order to do better at each competition.
And in robotics, we have a robot named Kathy, and we compete her in competitions and just adjust her and her different components to help us win.
The Science National Honor Society is a competitive group made up of juniors and seniors.
This group promotes women in STEM and develops character through service and leadership.
At Science National Honor Society, we have the opportunity to listen to lectures outside of school on a variety of scientific fields like genetics, astronomy. I would say one of my primary goals as a scientist is to become some type of physician in the future. I'm not really sure which type, but I'm thinking about surgery or pediatrics. Prez has definitely helped me achieve this goal right now because I'm in AP Bio and Anatomy and Physiology, which are both classes that help me specifically learn things that are important for those fields. And I'm glad that Prez offers these classes because it gives me the opportunity to learn about things that I'm fascinated by and that will help me in the future.
I really like how science has an infinite complexity to it. I hope to be a physician when I get older, and Prez has really helped me to work toward this goal by allowing us to go to Spalding and work with actual human organs and a cadaver.
My goal as a scientist is to eventually become a neurosurgeon, and Prez is helping me do that by the opportunities that have been given to me through Spalding, and I've gotten to see human organs that are involved in the nervous system, like the brain and the spinal cord. And I also got to see a cadaver's spinal cord, so that was really cool. And also, someone that I know at Prez, her mom works at a hospital as a nurse anesthetist, so I got to sit in on a neurosurgery at U of L Hospital. So if I didn't go to Prez, I would have never gotten those opportunities.
Prez has helped me by providing plenty of classes, plenty of science classes. They have a college credit biology class, which I'm taking right now, and that has really helped me to develop my study skills for science.
Okay, Prez's science department is unique because it's more focused on how we can progress in the future with our science, and rather than our teachers just teaching us the information and so we can do well on the tests, it's so that we can use this information in the future and in college, and if we want to pursue a science-related career in the future.
It offers a wide variety of classes for any type of scientist, that's physics and anatomy. So whatever you are interested in, there's a class for it.
Be a STEAM girl.